I'm a teacher by profession actually. So proud to say that I graduated cum laude. So kasi syempre, pag sinabi nilang honor graduate ka, kailangan expected ng family mo, you can get a higher salary. But on that time, hindi po ganun kalaki yung kinikita ko. So one time, I have a Friendster, kasi that time, Friendster pa yung uso di Facebook. Nag-pop up, sabi niya extra income part-time. So pinuntahan ko siya. Nung pumunta ako doon, yun nga po yung orientation ng Unlimited Network of Opportunities International Corporation. Network marketing, I'm so skeptical about that kind of business at first. Kasi unang-una, my first impression about is, alam mo yun, networking is gawain ng mga walang magawa sa buhay. And to think, I'm a professional teacher, gumraduate ng cum laude, tapos magbebenta-benta ng produkto, di ba? Parang napaka-off naman gawin ng isang professional yung ginagawa at yung ine-explain ng speaker during that time. But then sabi ng speaker sa akin, sabi niya, ganito, the only thing you need to do here right now, habang nakikinig ka, is maupo ka lang at makinig at kailangan mo lang siyang intindihin. May nagsalita nag-share sa akin, nagkakotse, kumikita ng malaki, estudyante, earning 10,000 a week, something like that. At first, hindi ako